I will talk about Toronto and I say so danger day plenty. Yes, danger day. For this thing when they call and say so building them. The way people they build house for Douala yes so country people them. It cause plenty trouble. How innocent beggar. Be said so. House them just the fall anyhow. The other day, house before kill woman and he picking woman with the belly and he 4 years old picking for Aqua Day. Remember most country people them. Yes, the other hotel na too about this building where they want make it be some hotel. For entrer la gare de Bessengue when I wait to come take place today. Na officier de police deuxième grade get am. E go the situation is executed 6 camera. Carry people then go for 9th, they go release them because commissioner for 9th they understand say so journalists must do your work. They tell una now about this palaver for the house where they so they try for decam, the decking fall back. Dal, it fall. Then this other building too, for team where they call and say this so that side for entre lycée for village. Entre lycée ni long for village they don't fall. Fall so contribute and pass mark for night tango se pour no be dey. Una for say obituary na the name. What tell una about poto the way they fall Jengu. As electric pole they fall Jengu country people them. Electric pole for Jengu say fall onto moto brobo moto. Tell una too about accident from Banga where 3 people die, 5 people in the hospital. Then this accident for Eze Kadewe person come for go bury Paul Pondi, first commissioner for this country, but that side from Goma Pubi. Come back now, make accidents with it. I say, oh boy, the hospital. Now God help you. He gave to give Thanksgiving mass for God. Then Cameroon go play na Tunisia for last quarter. For see who go win go for that side for Brazil for play World Cup for June 2014 country people then. All this one will begin to a loss. Now for Pidgin News, Equinox Television with me, Eze Ekuleku to read it. I just throw a big salute and I say una come good, una stop fine. I promise una this morning time say this so there is a 6-story building where they build them. Don't almost finish. One put nana, one just cementa. It sink. It not fall as the other one them. It sink na sink. So they can be like seeing a 2-story building remain. For the let me say other one she don't onto other one she don't onto other one she don't. Story building will be tall like Abdul Diouf. It just can be now like Omar Bongo. Man not to say Ali Ben Bongo. So country people them make us start with saying story for today. Person where they sleep for middle bed. No they drag blanket. Same story for today. Person where it is sleep for middle bed. No they drag blanket. We'll give you the same story for today. Na Mama Cecile, Madame Cecile Njanga, yes, woman for Samajite Njanga for Njanga Village Yabasidi. Thank you. Plenty supporting come from you. Yes, Ba Fonja for Lapidance Marwadi. Thank you, plenty country people. So not story for una talk with the first one. Yeah, hotel una for more time say image di come. Now 1 o'clock this image don't come. We no fit promise una ti we no fit give una. As the camp would give una. Innocent abega. Oya. Look up. Now the building is so as a 6-story building. It is just she don't so pop. 1 story she don't another one. Just fall. You see how? They don't dip so just enter so just group. Where they build them for play the corner say swampy area. That means say you build down swampy area. That means say this so for zone marécageuse. Et même for si niveau. Tu for na chose entrepreneur for yana bangwa man. Asho contribute there. Wonderful thing. Now for that say corner say entrer lycée after machine donc pass 3. Entrer lycée for village de lycée Nilong. But that when the pass go for Carrefour Antonio so contribute them. Like see imagine say if people then work at them, bricklayer them, mason they be there for here. On a vu ce colonel Michaela and on a vu ce colonel Michaela and élément donc comme il faut qu'on dit we go wait to say me Angers comment for communauté ben the camp and now you see the immeuble be there the same like the corner one you see the building be there like that corner that one there for corner we don't finish so now voisin the neighbor for the immeuble don't talk about and say hey on a vu something c'est catastrophe we pass the one for lack news it don't take place for yes country people that are sitting can happen and so it take be for the country people them. Now we'll talk about this other one. Now for Besenge. People they follow go smoke banger for Besenge podium. We got the Besenge podium they so. Now sector for Akwara. Boy, banger smoker them. And then all but to a bat. Now Besenge podium. And for Bagra Besenge podium so. Around you want to go play this so tangi abongze evaluate so other building to the building within an upstairs. After the decking fall, Dal fall. Tango say technician they don't shake. Over the battle, dollar de like say no place in the way except Bonanjo and Bonapriso. Who go fit buy plot for the plot first day you see plot safe. You don't get 200 million for small 20 by 20. You do want to put them. Understand? And as I talk about them for years, wonderful matter, look at. As in a dad, that's why they don't collate that all thing, me don't fall. They can, wonderful thing. I said they can just fall so for the falls for kind level, falls for kind way. As not get them for years, can't get palava. Look what happened with the build house. They don't deck am sute. After they don't read deck am sute, they continue to build for up. Now if you see deck in that talk say, and some man don't put in mattress for day, sleep for day. Oh, you know, sir, beggar, so nangaboko like you. If you don't put your mattress, became nang for day. Well, yes, go bang. Anyway, make God send you flight ticket, get avion for heaven, make go bang. Now you want hotel now, your hotel don't broke. Now your hotel don't broke. Hey, go do you go start at zero. For this to contribute them. See what did happen? Instead the house they build faire à béton, faire de 2, faire de 1,5. Look at. All things don't broke for them. Broke for the past max. Now they finance so. What if person be there? What if person be there so contribute them? We have to talk seriously. We have to talk seriously for this palaver and this issue them. Can't wait for that side to contribute them. Can't palaver when I can't get and so. Look at. It all thing fall. Now they try to clean up to see whether something is more for them. We go help them for continue their shanty for this country for them. I don't want to fall. Now electric pole. IS Sonel before Jengu now make I change them to IS Somei. You want to see what happen? Now this. Look at. Oh, where? You want pass mark? You want pass mark? Better man laugh, na laugh. Say what did happen? Look up. Like an 8 photo, they just force one time. Bam, 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 bam. 8. And you see last of that quarter. For us, so make the camera now can put this light for the people, put the pole them. If that quarter never make grave. If I say for Ben skin too, If I say for Ben skin. 4-2 for they contribute them. Now you know why. Now you know why. If at all, if what happens so now you see this so good don't be. Now look at Sabi. Where? Man where? Better go day. Man go where so? Before I so may one can put the one in back. When we see this now 2 months. We'll let you know the population go vex. Yeah? Doctor, you never know that Cartier? Doctor, you look at you and see the Cartier. I ask you because you just say you work at all my pan. As you see what happen, you fall on top machine. Even Pastor H, you know they work at preach all side where he says you go know the quarter. We're gonna get some outdoor preaching where they work at preach the Bible for hand. Say Jesus don't send me make I can't tell you say. Pastor Simon H, look at. We don't see what happen now. We don't see him. You know, say, Azet no fit know the place because Azet the turn he own territoire de commandement na only day to read la joie. If one over Waka, let me say, don't go see people for Bedi. See, hein? Bon, be panda tout, na only for Carrefour Tangdong. Oui, le temps for the. Eh, Doron a pilote for avion de nuit. Doron no all place. All place Mouloudé, Doron sabi. Okay, they want bad. And they want to Doron sabi. That valley where it is for Lokbosu. Lokbosu tell we pass Jean de Grasse for Lokpom, you go to Lokbosu. Lokbosu, they so what happened for them? They kill some man, Ben Skinner, 25 years, 25 ans. Carry inside wheelbarrow, alias brouette, push and so they go through into that valley. Since number 3 day for this moon pass, family don't put avis de recherche. Missing, wanted, they no see. Anyway, anti-gang them for Légion de gendarmerie école en CDSO lutte contre grande criminalité. Oh boy, they walk up back to the capture them. Now it is. It happened na how country people them. This man called Titi Masango. No be Titi Mbakeo. Na Titi Masango Salomon. Basically the drive. Na head that na bone that will meet up and so na he don't rot in so stay spoil finish. Then I remaining part that you see and I close that. I remaining part that they can and so you see am. And the remaining part that way they can and so for that side and at the 2 point that way they kill it so for the country for them. Wait it happen for here. We say the 2 point they been a complice. They been a complice so they beat it killing for take Ben skin. Okada way they say 300,000 na kill person so for say 300,000. Since number 3 day for this moon way number 8 moon way pass so country for them. Now if you say commandant them Colonel Abosolo out for the corner they gonna forget take listing they go take a listing so now that reconstitution the fair they show how they be doing. How will they be doing? Still last to go through for that place so country to they go through for the dump of for the way he died. You see him? For the way they kill him through for taking motorcycle. So now family they cry for this so country for them. Titi Masango Salomon. Now that family in that's what we talk about of all the way it can't take place with they look am. That's what they do. That's what they move on to machine, knock you for down, then take the motorcycle, carry enough for they don't tie him up, please. Carry enough for they, knock you for the way, then they go now, go put you some place. As they don't put you now so they say don't die. As they see as they don't die now, they make an way, they do how for they take wheelbarrow, brouette, put it for inside, to that and this now, they go so with all that Kamambru the way, Kamambru for Legion and for this country, people that still can happen for this palaver. So you see, you're saying a better work that will cut in a cafe for Bureau de lutte contre la grande criminalité of where this one work fine with the Solomon Colonel for this country, people then. Chapter for accident. Nambanga o na mbanga kumba nambanga njombe road for the now people then die 3 5 then 2 in the hospital and as sapeur pompier them with this sergeant chef tackle them and them go carry them from Konsamba for the wait happen na sia na moto this sapeur pompier them wait come on Konsamba no be the one for Bonaberi here for the commandant Kemba Julius no A1 na Konsamba look up Ngongoro jam ngongoro we yes ngongoro kiss ngongoro so we bad for the matter and so country put them. As it can take place, na so be so. What happen for here country put them you say? It can happen so. The jam make the accident. Looking at the body that the other ngongoro go mistake to know. 5 people them for hospital, 3 then die. Now we start people they say 5 now so we see whether other diabetes they under the motor. 5 I'm sitting 5 I'm saying the one the way they see them, now they come out and country put them. So they struggle now, so they will go take some lifter now Easter for camp for Eastern African injecting ngongoro too for that. So they dig and so to see whether any die body no they for inside this country people then with population to the way they help them for try to see how they move the other people the way they don't die remain under the ngongoro. So we jam with this one. Let me see 2 ngongoro and jam bad way for this country people then when that 2 ngongoro and jam make this accident so place where they call and say this so now for Mbang yes so Mbanga this country people then what happen again. This other accident for Ezekiel. Person come off for go bury Paul Ponzi, the first ever commissioner of Cameroon. As he come back for Ezekiel day 2 on top bridge, he mean na fly over. He mean na fly over. So na pistol the decollage for airport. He decollage na inside we go for inside sky. He own na inside water chunkum. Na this. Now the motor that Mercedes motor, they can run go by himself. Yes. Look up. Now the way the man try to explain and say, oh boy, the motor so he can't find himself under that place. Look up. Wonderful thing. German for this to explain to what happened. Look up. If they run past Bim Bim, run past Lucky Luke self, they asking that too. And the man now, according to Jean-Paul Yang, you see, routier commence sur la forme, plus de commencer sur la forme. Non, na Ezeka routier na Ezeka Kamamburu camp for the, na Ezeka Kamamburu camp for the na for make constat for see what will happen for the, and then they carry the man now go down for hospital. Now hospital this for Ezeka they country people them. Yes, na Ezeka hospital this way this so. The take place now for the country people. Then they say they cannot do what to carry the person now for go down for hospital. They wish and they can try to explain wait way it really take place. What will really happen for this now? Until the bridge with this accident, it can't take place. So country people them. So now see sport football story. Even you know been at Tunisia, on a years Cameroon, they play with Cape Verde. Cape Verde for knock we again. Tunisia said and say this, so we used to manage it small. Either we win them or we draw. But it don't mean that they don't win this time around. No. But don't make draws them now for all the 5 different matches we will now give a play for home and away. Before now, 5 countries them qualify for go play World Cup for Brazil. Like this. Look at. They say Tunisia go play Cameroon for away leg for play they call and say this October. Then they can play return leg for Yaoundé for November. Côte d'Ivoire go play with Senegal for October. Can't play return leg for November. I mean, Côte d'Ivoire go play with Senegal. Côte d'Ivoire go play with Senegal. Ethiopia go play with Nigeria. Burkina Faso go play with Algeria. And then Ghana now with Egypt. Where they go play for this country for them. Ghana now with Egypt where they go play for this matter. So it happens so way is like say number 9 shirt eto no go be for this Palabasu as when I get to talk about them. For all this kind of shoot them for this Palabasu country people them as the thing can take place now so way it can't happen for this matter so now they fixtures them that for the avant go way innocent doctor toxic abega doctor simo bien funa. Una see small thing una go see am for normal news and for pidgin news tomorrow morning time. Na do a teaser una take small only small take am. I say oh boy them na go finish am and finish am so for this matter so contribute them. I say okay. Okay. Avango. Now the small one that we get for now for today country people them. Tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock will day. Can't pay. This number what they call in head so pong. The number when I will call all side talk to you up and play on a day. Intervention rapide for Master Toto, they can't film. There are plenty cameraman, there plenty for Master Talk. Na whole team, they will gather and bring up. Una tuna be part of the team. Then the number now, already no announcement. Il a été retrouvé errant dans la rue, au niveau de la salle de fête d'Aqua, un petit garçon âgé d'environ 4 ans. Il se nommerait Avissé Louis. Il est vêtu d'un corsage de couleur verte et d'une culotte de couleur marron, les chaussures de couleur rose, sac à dos de couleur rouge-noir. Les parents sont priés de passer de toute urgence à Equinox afin de rentrer avec leur progéniture. So now get us over there. And nobody's for Equinox on a call. You know which will take place today so country for them. I want to thank all for the be paying now so the flash number on. It shows this one. I don't receive the number fine. I want to test and we see whether the number they go. But be more better and I say this so make una call na for talk say thing will not happen. Thank you, no sir, I beg your doctor. Thank you, Pastor Echi. Thank you, Alain Zingi Azet for this country for them. I thank all my collaborators them. Ginny Edmond, Tata Kotlov, from Kenneth Obamendadi. Then, Andin Kanu, look later came for they to contribute to them. Oscar de l'homme de la Saïté au Kalai, dès qu'il était en combat. Aren, déjà tout de il y a des outils sur la personne qui veut lancer des sonas. David in my move for Limbe. Country people, if you not see my back, belly for front. Bye bye.